The inverter and battery are located beneath the bench in the patient's cabin. The inverter provides the double wall socket with 220 volts AC. When the battery is fully charged, it can last for approximately 6 hours, depending on its usage. The inverter will power these two socket outlets, whether the car's engine is running or not. The inverter's battery charges when the car's engine is running. Before using the inverter, make sure the car is turned on and the master switch is in the on position. The engine does not need to be running. To utilize external power from outside the car, just connect the shoreline extension, which will activate the single wall socket.